This is the roof. We're changing all the box gutters across here. They did a fiberglass box gutter, but the Upstands, they didn't do them high enough. We don't use fiberglass, it's a nightmare stuff. We use lead. So we'll bring the lead up the roof to about here, so water can't backtrack. At the moment it's backtracking in there. So we had to strip all the slates out today. The lead work anyway isn't good all the way around. We'll change all that as well. It's the roof finished in Chelsea. We did all the lead flashings going along the walls and down and across and down there. And we did the box gutters. We didn't replace the roof. That was done a couple of years ago, but they did it in resin and it failed. So we came back and put lead in. If you ever do box gutters, guys, always use lead. It always lasts. Nice lead flashings going up there and across and down. There's the box gutters, expansion joints. That's what all they are. Expansion joints is a rubber which is welded to the lead. So when the lead moves, it doesn't split. I have to go. Catch you later. Bye.